Hello everyone, today I'm going to share my experience with you about the hairpiece I ordered from Lordhair. So the journey started here. I placed my order 5 days ago. I received this lovely box yesterday. I give you an A+ for the design because it's so lovely. I found this letter inside the box that says we will give you 2 free coronavirus masks to keep you safe. So this is very thoughtful. Thank you. Thank you for the fast delivery and thank you for this. Now let's get to business. I'm gonna talk about the hair. Actually, the first thing I noticed about this hair that the hair is so soft. It's breathable and it's light. Like sometimes if you get the heavy hair, you cannot sleep in it. So this is very comfortable. I slept with this yesterday, so it's very comfortable. You cannot see the hairline, so you can pull your hair to the back or style it the way you want. All you need to do just in the morning, spray it with water like this and just style it. It doesn't need like a lot of products to take care of. So this is lovely. And it's also easy to attach. All you need to do just put some double face strips on it and that's it. And when it's time to change it, like in my case, I change it every week, so I just remove it with my hands. In case you leave it for let's say 3 to 4 weeks, it's gonna be a bit sticky from here, like the glue, and here. So you will just spray some glue remover on it and that's it. Thank you Lordhair for keeping me posted in the last 5 days. I think you have a great customer service and you are building a very good customer loyalty, so thank you. And actually I recommend this hairpiece to everyone. If you have any problems with hair, they have the solution. So thank you.